How to use RefWorks with Overleaf. Are you juggling references while working on your LaTeX documents? If so, using RefWorks with Overleaf can make your life a lot easier. Let's break down how to connect these to powerful tools for your academic projects. First, you need to export your bibliography from RefWorks. Start by logging into your RefWorks account. Once you are in, select the references you want to include in your LaTeX document. Look for the export or download options and choose to export these references as a BibTeX file. This file will have the extension Bibi and contains all the reference data in a format that Overleaf understands. Next, you will upload the BibTeX file to Overleaf. Open your Overleaf project and find the Upload button. You can add the BibTeX file directly from your computer. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can upload the file to a cloud storage service like Google Drive and then link or upload it to Overleaf from there. Just make sure the file keeps the Bibi extension. Now it's time to include the bibliography in your LaTeX document. In your main LaTeX document, you need to load a bibliography package. You can use packages like natbib or biblatex. For instance, if you choose natbib, add the line, plus use a package number's natbib. When you want to cite references in your text, use commands like +citeup key or +citet key. Here, key refers to the citation key in your BibTeX file. At the end of your document, specify the bibliography style and the name of your BibTeX file without the extension. For example, you might write +bibliography style plained and +bibliography references, assuming your file is named referencesbib. Once you have everything set up, compile your Overleaf project. Your citations should now appear in the text, and the bibliography will be generated automatically from the BibTeX file. To boost your study productivity, keep your RefWorks library organized. Use clear citation keys to make citing easier in Overleaf. Regularly update your BibTeX file in Overleaf after adding new references to RefWorks. Also, take advantage of Overleaf's file management features to keep your bibliography files tidy and accessible. Familiarizing yourself with LaTeX citation, commands, and bibliography styles can also help you customize how references appear in your document. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your references with RefWorks and integrate them into your LaTeX documents on Overleaf. This will simplify the writing and citation process for your academic papers or projects.